Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more. I bet you didn't know that the fundamental nature of reality is far more mysterious than it seems. What lies beneath the surface of our everyday experiences? For centuries, classical physics provided a neat and predictable model of the universe. It gave us the laws of motion and gravity, explaining the movements of planets and the mechanics of everyday objects. However, in the early 20th century, a revolutionary new theory emerged: quantum physics. This groundbreaking field turned our understanding of the universe on its head. This mind-boggling field explores the strange and counterintuitive behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales. It delves into the mysteries of atoms and subatomic particles, revealing a world that defies common sense. It challenges our everyday perceptions and opens up a world of infinite possibilities. The rules of this microscopic realm are vastly different from the macroscopic world we are accustomed to. At the heart of quantum physics lies the idea that everything in the universe is made up of tiny packets of energy called quanta. These quanta are the building blocks of all matter and energy. These quanta behave both like particles and waves, a concept known as wave-particle duality. This duality is one of the most perplexing and fascinating aspects of quantum physics. This duality suggests that matter exists in a state of potential rather than fixed reality. It means that particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. Imagine a world where particles can be in multiple places at once, defying the conventional laws of physics as we know them. In this quantum world, the act of observation influences outcomes, collapsing multiple possibilities into a single reality, and where seemingly impossible connections exist between distant objects, a phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. This is the realm of quantum physics, a domain that continues to baffle and inspire scientists and thinkers alike. Now, you might be wondering, how does this relate to our everyday lives and the pursuit of our dreams? How can these abstract concepts have any practical application? The answer is surprisingly profound. Quantum physics provides a scientific framework for understanding the deeper nature of reality and our place within it. Quantum physics provides a scientific framework for understanding concepts like the law of attraction, a philosophy suggesting that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. This idea posits that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, we can bring positive or negative experiences into our lives. By understanding the principles of quantum physics, we can begin to grasp the power of our minds to influence the world around us. Our thoughts, intentions, and beliefs can shape our experiences and outcomes. This journey into the quantum realm might seem daunting at first, but it's an adventure worth taking. It invites us to explore the very fabric of reality and our role as conscious beings within it. By exploring these concepts, we'll uncover a new understanding of ourselves and the universe, empowering us to manifest our desires and create a life of purpose and fulfillment. This new perspective can transform the way we see the world and our place in it. So buckle up and let's dive into the fascinating world of quantum physics and its connection to the law of attraction. Together, we'll embark on a journey that could change the way you perceive reality itself. And don't forget to check out our latest blog. It will teach you how to create a manifestation board to help you visualize and achieve your goals. The link is in the description below. Happy manifesting. Before we dive into the principle that attracts like, let's take a moment to explore the power of belief and its profound impact on our lives. Our beliefs shape the lens through which we perceive the world and determine how we react to different situations. They act as a filter, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and ultimately our actions. Consider the placebo effect, a fascinating phenomenon where patients experience real improvements in their health simply because they believe they're receiving treatment, even if it's just a sugar pill. This effect demonstrates the incredible power of the mind to influence physical reality. The placebo effect is not just limited to medicine. It can be seen in various aspects of life, including performance, motivation, and even relationships. Studies have shown that our beliefs can impact our brain's neural pathways, essentially rewiring our brains to align with our expectations. This means that by changing our beliefs, we can alter our perception of reality and create new possibilities for ourselves. Athletes often use visualization techniques to enhance their performance, imagining themselves achieving their goals with vivid detail. This mental practice helps them build confidence, reduce anxiety, and improve their actual performance during competitions. Similarly, successful individuals often attribute their achievements to a strong belief in their abilities and a positive mindset. Now, you might be wondering, how can we harness the power of belief to manifest our desires and create a life of purpose and fulfillment? The answer lies in cultivating a positive mindset and aligning our beliefs with our goals. By focusing on what we want to achieve and believing in our potential to succeed, we can attract the experiences and opportunities that support our aspirations. Remember, the power to change your reality starts with your beliefs.